Do you ever stand in front of a closet overflowing with clothes, yet feel like you have absolutely nothing to wear? You're not alone. This is a common scenario for many people, and it can be incredibly frustrating. You might have a closet full of clothes, but still, you struggle to put together an outfit that makes you feel good. The problem often lies not in the quantity of clothes you own, but in the lack of a cohesive wardrobe strategy. This common dilemma often stems from having too many options and not enough direction. When you have an abundance of clothing items, it can be overwhelming to make a decision. You might find yourself spending precious minutes every morning just trying to figure out what to wear. This can lead to decision fatigue, where the sheer number of choices makes it harder to make a decision at all. Enter the capsule wardrobe, a curated collection of essential pieces that effortlessly work together, simplifying your life and elevating your style. A capsule wardrobe is not just about reducing the number of items in your closet, it's about creating a thoughtful, intentional collection of clothing that you love to wear. Each piece in a capsule wardrobe is chosen for its versatility, quality, and ability to be mixed and matched with other items. Imagine a closet where every item sparks joy, where getting dressed is a breeze, and where you feel confident and put together every single day. This is the promise of a capsule wardrobe. By carefully selecting each piece, you ensure that everything in your closet is something you love and feel great wearing. This not only makes getting dressed easier, but also more enjoyable. The concept of a capsule wardrobe is simple yet powerful. It's about stripping away the excess and focusing on what truly matters. By narrowing down your wardrobe to a select number of pieces, you can create a more cohesive and functional collection. This approach encourages you to be more mindful about your clothing choices and to invest in pieces that truly add value to your wardrobe. It's about investing in quality over quantity, choosing versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, and letting go of items that no longer serve you. High-quality pieces not only look better but also last longer, making them a more sustainable choice. Versatile items can be worn in multiple ways, giving you more outfit options with fewer pieces. And by letting go of items that no longer serve you, you create space for the things that do. This minimalist approach to fashion not only saves you time and money, but also promotes sustainability by reducing textile waste. Fast fashion has led to an increase in clothing production and waste, but a capsule wardrobe encourages you to buy less and choose better. By focusing on quality and longevity, you reduce the need for constant replacements and contribute to a more sustainable fashion industry. Building a capsule wardrobe is a journey of self-discovery, where you define your personal style and create a wardrobe that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. It's an opportunity to really think about what you like to wear and what makes you feel good. This process can help you develop a clearer sense of your personal style and make more intentional clothing choices. It's about investing in pieces that make you feel confident, comfortable, and ready to take on the world. When you have a wardrobe full of items that you love and that fit well, you feel more confident and empowered. This can have a positive impact on other areas of your life, from your work to your social interactions. This guide will walk you through the process of creating your very own capsule wardrobe, step by step. You'll learn how to assess your current wardrobe, identify your personal style, and select the core pieces that will form the foundation of your capsule wardrobe. We'll also provide tips on how to maintain and update your capsule wardrobe over time. From decluttering your closet to selecting core pieces, you'll learn how to curate a collection that is uniquely yours and makes getting dressed a joy. This process is not just about organizing your clothes, it's about creating a wardrobe that supports your lifestyle and makes you feel good every day. So, let's get started on this journey to a more intentional and joyful wardrobe. Why embrace the capsule wardrobe philosophy? Let's delve into the myriad of benefits that come with adopting this minimalist approach to fashion. The benefits are numerous and far-reaching, impacting various aspects of your life in ways you might not have imagined. Imagine a life with less clutter, less stress, and more time for the things that truly matter. A capsule wardrobe can be a transformative step towards achieving this ideal. A capsule wardrobe can help you achieve just that. By focusing on quality over quantity, you create a streamlined collection of clothing that serves you well. Firstly, a capsule wardrobe saves you precious time. Think about how much time you spend each day deciding what to wear. With a capsule wardrobe, this decision becomes quick and straightforward. No more agonizing over what to wear every morning. Instead, you can quickly select an outfit from a curated collection of pieces that you love and that work well together. With a curated collection of pieces you love, Getting dressed becomes effortless and enjoyable. You start your day with a sense of ease and confidence, knowing that whatever you choose will look great. This newfound efficiency extends beyond your morning routine, freeing up mental space for more important decisions throughout your day. You can focus on your work, hobbies, and relationships without the distraction of a cluttered wardrobe. Secondly, a capsule wardrobe can save you money. By investing in fewer, higher quality items that you truly love and will wear for years to come, you'll avoid impulse purchases and the cycle of fast fashion. By focusing on quality, you ensure that your clothes last longer and look better over time. This means fewer trips to the store and less money spent on replacing worn-out items. You'll be surprised by how much you save when you're no longer tempted by fleeting trends. Instead, you invest in timeless pieces that never go out of style. Thirdly, a capsule wardrobe promotes sustainability. The fashion industry is a major contributor to environmental pollution, and by reducing your consumption, you can make a positive impact. The fashion industry is a major contributor to environmental pollution. By embracing a minimalist approach to fashion and investing in enduring pieces, you'll reduce your environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. By choosing quality over quantity, you reduce waste and support ethical fashion practices. This not only benefits the planet, but also promotes a more mindful and intentional way of living. By embracing a minimalist approach to fashion and investing in enduring pieces, you'll reduce your environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. This conscious choice helps combat the negative effects of fast fashion and promotes a healthier planet. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, a capsule wardrobe helps you define and express your personal style. When you carefully select each piece, you create a wardrobe that is uniquely yours. By carefully curating a collection of pieces that reflect your unique personality and lifestyle, you'll cultivate a wardrobe that feels authentically you. This personal touch ensures that you always feel comfortable and confident in your clothing choices. You'll project confidence and feel empowered every time you get dressed. Your wardrobe becomes a reflection of who you are, and this authenticity shines through in your daily interactions. In conclusion, the benefits of a capsule wardrobe extend far beyond just having a neat and organized closet. It's about creating a lifestyle that values quality, sustainability, and personal expression. By embracing this approach, you can simplify your life, save time and money, reduce your environmental impact, and cultivate a wardrobe that truly represents you. So why not give it a try and experience the transformative power of a capsule wardrobe for yourself? Building a capsule wardrobe may seem daunting at first, but it's a process that can be broken down into manageable steps. This guide will take you through each stage, from assessing your lifestyle needs to adding seasonal touches. The first step is to define your lifestyle. What does your everyday life look like? What activities do you engage in most often? Your wardrobe should reflect your daily reality and support your lifestyle needs. Next, it's time to declutter your closet. This cathartic process involves letting go of items that no longer serve you. Donate, sell, or discard anything that doesn't fit, flatter, or spark joy. Once you've decluttered, you can begin to define your personal style. What colors, silhouettes, and textures resonate with you? Browse fashion magazines, create Pinterest boards, and identify the elements that make your heart sing. With a clear understanding of your lifestyle and personal style, you can start building the foundation of your capsule wardrobe, the core pieces. These versatile essentials will form the backbone of your wardrobe and can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. Before diving into the exciting world of wardrobe curation, it's crucial to take a step back and assess your lifestyle. Understanding your daily routine and the demands it places on you is the foundation of creating a functional and stylish capsule wardrobe. Your capsule wardrobe should seamlessly integrate into your everyday life, making getting dressed a joy rather than a chore. It should simplify your mornings and ensure that you always have the perfect outfit for any occasion, whether it's a casual day at home or an important meeting at work. Start by analyzing your daily activities. Take a moment to jot down what a typical week looks like for you. Are you spending most of your time in a professional setting, or do you have a more flexible schedule that allows for a variety of activities? Do you spend most of your time in an office environment, or are you constantly on the go? Understanding where you spend the majority of your time will help you determine the types of clothing that will be most useful to you. Are you a stay-at-home parent, a student, or a creative freelancer? Each of these roles comes with its own set of clothing needs. For example, a stay-at-home parent might prioritize comfortable, easy-to-clean clothes, while a student might need a mix of casual and professional attire for classes and internships. Each lifestyle demands different clothing choices. By understanding your specific needs, you can ensure that your wardrobe is both practical and versatile. Consider the climate you live in. The weather plays a significant role in determining what types of clothing you'll need. If you live in a region with distinct seasons, you'll need a variety of pieces to keep you comfortable throughout the year. Do you experience all 4 seasons? Or is your weather more consistent? If you live in a place with a stable climate, you can focus on a more streamlined wardrobe. However, if you experience seasonal changes, you'll need to plan for both warm and cold weather. Your capsule wardrobe should reflect the climatic realities of your environment, ensuring you're comfortable and appropriately dressed year-round. This might mean investing in quality outerwear for winter or lightweight fabrics for summer. Think about your personal preferences and comfort levels. Your wardrobe should not only be functional, but also make you feel good. Do you prefer loose, comfortable clothing? Or do you enjoy more fitted, stylish pieces? Do you prioritize comfort and practicality? Or do you lean towards more stylish and fashion-forward pieces? Your personal style is a crucial component of your capsule wardrobe. It should reflect who you are and make you feel confident in your appearance. Your capsule wardrobe should reflect your individual needs and preferences. By curating a collection of pieces that you love and that work for your lifestyle, you'll find that getting dressed becomes a much more enjoyable experience. Once you have a clear understanding of your lifestyle, you can begin to curate a capsule wardrobe that supports your daily activities, reflects your environment, and makes you feel confident and comfortable in every situation. This thoughtful approach to dressing will not only save you time and stress, but also ensure that you always look and feel your best. Remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is to create a collection of clothing that is versatile, timeless, and tailored to your unique lifestyle. By taking the time to assess your needs and preferences, you'll be well on your way to building a wardrobe that truly works for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching and happy wardrobe building!